The Volkswagen Caddy Cargo distinguishes itself in the small van segment by offering a car-like driving experience while maintaining excellent practicality. Leveraging the same platform as the latest Golf, the Caddy Cargo benefits from solid engineering, resulting in an enjoyable driving experience. This doesn't compromise its carrying capacity, as it remains competitive with other small vans in terms of practicality. From an exterior perspective, the Caddy Cargo embodies Volkswagen's signature clean design. The front showcases design cues resembling the Golf and some of VW's electric models, especially on higher-spec variants with color-coded bumpers. At the rear, a distinctive Kamm tail design adds a unique touch, featuring concave light clusters with LED bulbs. Inside the cabin, there is noticeable carryover from the Golf, including elements like the multifunction steering wheel and touch-sensitive headlight controls. However, some aspects, such as the touchscreen interface and touch-sensitive climate and volume controls inherited from the current Golf, may prove frustrating to use.